Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create a poll in WhatsApp. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to enter into your WhatsApp, after which you choose the group in which you want to create the poll. After that, you click on this icon here. Once you're there, you click on it. After which, you simply need to insert the question. So, I'm going to say, where are you washing us from? You can just insert Canada, US, Indian, Europe, and you can add as many as possible. So once you are done with that, you will simply need to click on what? Send. Or you can simply enable the allow multiple questions, allow multiple answers, sorry. You can enable it. So after that, you simply click on what? Send. So guys, that is actually the way you create poll in WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.